I'm tired. Not just tired like someone who missed a night of sleep. I mean tired in my bones. Tired in the way an old soul gets tired. When it's seen too much, carried too much, bled too much, and still keeps going. I am America, and I'm not what I used to be. But I'm still here. Every morning, I wake up to the sound of division. Not birds, not church bells, but shouting, screaming, left versus right, red versus blue, neighbor versus neighbor. You don't talk anymore. You post. You fight. You cancel. You threaten. And somewhere in that noise, I keep asking, do you still love me? Because once upon a time, you did. You fought for me. You cried for me. You died for me. You believed I was worth something. Not perfect, but possible. But now I see your eyes filled with doubt. Your hearts full of fear. You don't trust your government. You don't trust your media. You don't even trust each other. You carry anxiety in your pockets like loose change. Prices are high. Jobs feel fake. Your future looks foggy. And behind your smiles, there's a silence no one talks about. What happened to the dreamers? Where did the builders go? When did we stop hoping together and start panicking alone? I see the protests in your streets. I hear the anger in your voices. And I know, deep down, that most of it comes from pain. Not evil, not hatred, just pain. Some of you feel forgotten. Some of you feel blamed. Some of you feel like this isn't your home anymore. But I am still your home. I haven't left you. I haven't given up on you. I walk your back roads. I linger in your diners. I hum through your national anthem, even when it's hard to sing. You want change? I do too. But not the kind that burns everything down. The kind that rebuilds together. I don't care what color your skin is. I don't care who you voted for. What I care about is this. Do you still believe in me? Because I believe in you. You, the teacher staying after school with a hungry child. You, the nurse holding a stranger's hand at midnight. You, the soldier standing guard on soil you swore to protect. You, the mother praying in silence for your family's future. I see you. I feel you. And I need you. Not as Democrats. Not as Republicans. But as Americans. Because I was never meant to be perfect. I was meant to be free. And freedom is messy. It takes courage. It takes forgiveness. It takes listening when it's easier to yell. I know we're hurting. I know it feels like we're falling apart. But you haven't lost me. And I haven't lost you. We just need to remember how to love one another again. Even when we disagree. Even when it's hard. Especially when it's hard. So tonight, when the world feels loud. When the news feels dark. When hope feels like it's slipping through your fingers. Remember this. I'm still here. Still holding on. Still America. And I still believe in you. Don't let go of me. Not now. Not ever.